Welcome to my channel Road Beast Car. If you love cars, vans, and the latest automotive updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're taking a look at the 2026 Suzuki Bolan Dabba, a vehicle that has been a trusted companion for families and businesses across Pakistan for many years. The Suzuki Bolan is one of the most recognizable vans on the road. Known for its practicality, affordability, and durability, it has become a popular choice for commercial use as well as family transportation. The 2026 model continues this tradition while offering updates that help it stay relevant in today's market. From the outside, the 2026 Suzuki Bolan Dabba retains its iconic boxy design. While the styling may seem simple compared to modern vehicles, the design is highly functional. The tall roof and compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through crowded city streets while still providing plenty of interior space. This balance between size and practicality is one of the reasons why the Bolan remains so popular. Under the hood, the 2026 Bolan is expected to feature a fuel-efficient engine designed for daily driving and business operations. The focus is not on speed or luxury but on reliability and cost-effective transportation. Whether you're driving in urban areas or covering short-distance routes, the Bolan delivers dependable performance while keeping fuel expenses under control. Inside the cabin, practicality takes center stage. The spacious interior offers enough room for multiple passengers, making it ideal for large families, school transportation, and ride services. The seats are arranged to maximize available space, while the simple dashboard layout ensures ease of use for drivers. Although it doesn't offer the premium features found in modern SUVs or sedans, it provides everything necessary for everyday transportation. One of the strongest selling points of the Suzuki Bolan has always been its low maintenance cost. Spare parts are widely available, and repairs are generally affordable. This makes it an attractive option for small business owners who need a reliable vehicle without high operating expenses. From delivery services to passenger transport, the Bolan continues to prove itself as a dependable workhorse. The 2026 model is also expected to include improvements in safety and build quality. Modern regulations and customer expectations have encouraged manufacturers to enhance safety standards, and Suzuki is likely to continue making upgrades in this area. Features such as improved seat belts, stronger structural components, and better overall durability can make the vehicle safer and more reliable for daily use. For businesses, the Bolan Dabba remains one of the most practical investments available. Its ability to carry passengers or cargo efficiently makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're running a delivery service, transporting goods, or operating a small transport business, the Bolan offers excellent value for money. Another important advantage is its strong resale value. Because the vehicle is widely used and trusted across the country, demand in the used vehicle market remains high. This means owners can often recover a good portion of their investment when it's time to upgrade to a newer model. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Suzuki Bolan Dabba is expected to remain one of the most affordable multi-purpose vehicles in its category. This affordability, combined with low running costs and proven reliability, ensures that it remains a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Bolan Dabba continues to be a practical, economical, and dependable vehicle. It may not be the most luxurious van on the market, but its functionality and reliability have helped it maintain a loyal customer base for decades. What do you think about the 2026 Suzuki Bolan Dabba? Would you buy one for your family or business? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next